Let's create a very simple leaf today with a PNG image as a texture. Alright, delete this cube, add a new mesh, plane, tab into edit mode, do cuts, click on this edge and then increase the number of do cuts to maybe 5, and then also create the other way and also 5 loop cuts. That's pretty much it that we want. Tab out of edit mode and then select the plane, go to shading, click on new, and let's get this a little bit down and then make it little away from the main principal BSD, and then click on add, search for image and then click on image texture and then connect the color output of image texture to the base color of principal BSD. At the same time, click on open and then browse for the PNG file that you have, the image, the leaf, as well as the other areas is transparent. Now the problem is with this one is, you can still see the other areas as black. So what I want to do here is I want to make this area, the black areas, transparent while keeping this leaf visible. So to do that, you simply go to material section, scroll down all the way up to the settings and then make it alpha hashed, the blend mode. Still you don't see it, you still see the black areas, right? It's not transparent yet. What you want to do here is I want to add another the shader here. That is, I'm going to add transparent BSD, not the translucent, but I want to add transparent. And now I want, this is a shader, this is another shader. I want to combine these two shaders. What I do here is I will add a mix shader and then connect it with this line, connect here, and then also get this output of the transparent BSD and then connect it to the other input of the shader. Now if you slide the mix shaders fact all the way to 0, you see all the areas, including these black areas. If you slide it all the way up to 1, and then you don't see anything on the leaf. So what I want to do here is I want to make these black areas all transparent while you keep these green areas visible. So to do that, you can simply use the alpha channel of your image. Alpha channel specifies where do you have color pixels. If you do not have any pixel or color value, the alpha value of that area, of that pixels are 0. So for example, in this area, the black area, the alpha value is 0. So for this area, alpha value is 1. So why don't we use that one to control this fact so that it will make these areas transparent using on this PSD, and all the other areas are using principal BSD. Let's try that. Connect this alpha channel output to the fact. Now there's a small problem here. You don't see the leaf because we have this input switched, right? So simply switch that input. Now you have your leaf with that black areas transparent, and then all these leaf area is visible. Now if you go to layout and then enable the rendering viewport option, and also I want to go to the rendering, and then all the way back down we have color management, and then click on that and then make it standard, so that you get some kind of like cross color that you imported from that leaf. Now click on this leaf, tab into edit mode, and then enable this proportional editing, or you can press on O key to toggle between that one on and off. Once you switch that on, you simply click on one, maybe this vertex, and then G for grab, and then Z to constrain to Z axis, and then you pull it down. And then you can scroll your middle mouse to change the radius of the affecting radius. And also click on this one, grab Z, click on this icon, vertex, and then grab Z, and then rotate a little bit. Same thing for this one. Now you have pretty much kind of like a shape. Now tab out of the edit mode. Now you see some low poly artifacts. You click on that leaf, go to object, set smooth. Now you have a leaf, very quick leaf. Now you can duplicate this one to create a kind of like a wine, a grape wine, so that's how you make a pretty quick low poly leaf. Hope you will find this one useful in your projects. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video.